Hello everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Govind and currently I am working as a data analyst at Attend Analytics. So in today's video we are going to solve the Power Query editor error that we get, or I can say the query loading error that we often get while working with Power BI. So this is my data set. Let me tell you about the data set. I am having orders table, customers table, products table, which is linked with the order details table, and some other queries. If I show you in the query editor, okay, so this many tables I am having in my data model. Let me close it, and this is a table visual. So the error that we often get, or the error that we are going to solve in this video, is the error that we get due to the breachment of primary key rule in Power Query editor, or I can say in Power BI desktop. So here you can clearly see that my product table is linked with the order details table, and this is via one-to-many relationship. So if I show you the relation, so it is built on here. You can see at the right hand side of my screen, product ID of the order details is linked with the product ID of the products table. So it means that the product ID in the products table is the primary key, and in the order details table it serves as a foreign key. So the error that we get, suppose from the source in this product query we get duplicates in product ID column, so it will not allow us to load the query properly, because there will be the breachment of primary key rule. And what is the primary key? Primary key is a unique identifier column in the table that has no duplicate values, plus that contains no null values. So here you can clearly see product ID is the primary key. So what I will going to do from the source, which is the Excel workbook, and in the products table, just me open it, yes, I will copy this product ID record and I will paste it at the bottom so that we will have the duplicates. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the solution. Just a minute. Okay, so I think yes, we are not having any way, the things are sorted out here. So yes, and I will copy one more record and will paste it here. Okay, so let me refresh all the queries here in my Power BI desktop. Let us see what will happen. Okay, so you can see I get the refresh error in my window, which is column product ID in table products contains a duplicate values 1, and this kind of thing is not allowed for the columns that is on the one side of a many-to-one relationships, and that are used as a primary key of the table. So like many a times it may happen that from the source this kind of thing is coming, so we have to take some proactive approaches to resolve this kind of error. So what I will going to do is that I will again go here at the transform data. So this is my product query, and I am getting the duplicate values in the product ID column. So there is a simple way to solve this. I will right click here and I will just use this command, which is remove duplicates. So once I do that, so you can see that I am now having this 77 distinct and unique values, and the query that I had before, we are not having the similar count of the unique and distinct values. So it means that some records are duplicates, but here it has gone. So it means that even if from the source the duplicate values comes, this remove duplicate a command will automatically remove the duplicate values from the query. And if I close and apply, you can see the successfully data has been loaded. Even if I refresh all the queries, so you can see that I'm not getting any error, like the product related error, which these are the other errors, but the main thing was like related to the primary key breachment. We have successfully resolved this with the help of remove duplicates. So yes, this is all about this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, so please drop your questions in the comments, and like and share this video, and subscribe to Adent Analytics for more insights.